In the first video, I showed you how to put a YouTube video into a discussion board area, although it could be used in other places as well, via the mashup tool. But in this one, I want to show you how to do it in case YouTube cannot find a video through that mashup function. That sometimes happens if a video is it has newly been put on there. My students sometimes run into this. They create a video and post it onto YouTube, and then they try to turn around and put it onto the discussion board. The search function can't find it because it's too new, or sometimes it might not be that the video is too new, but maybe their channel is too new. So it's some of these things that that they kind of run into, and that's why it's good to have another way of posting them. So in this one, I'm just going to go ahead in the same area and create a thread. And this time I'm going to have YouTube HTML embed. Alright. So now on this one, let's come down here into the text box area. I'm going to come back into YouTube. I'm actually going to choose a different video this time. I really like this video here about Jenny Holzer and programming, and so I'm going to click on this, and I'm sure that I believe I have been able to post it before as a mashup, but we're going to just treat it as though I can't. And so when we come into the video and back in here to share, what I need to do is, as opposed to having it on a URL, I need to click this embed, and this way it gives me this nice iframe embed code, and so that is actually what I want to copy. Now come back into Blackboard, and now here, as opposed to clicking on the mashup, what I need to do is come all the way down here to this HTML code view and click on that, and that will open up a window here, and all I have to do is paste, update. Now you'll get this yellow rectangle here. Don't let that freak you out. It's okay. It should look like this, because when I then click submit and come into it, there's that video. Alright, so why do this, as it's larger as opposed to the thumbnail? It kind of depends. If you have a lot of students who are posting within the same thread, you might want them to do the thumbnail so you can kind of go through that page quicker. But if there are fewer things, something like that, or again, if they have a hard time using that mashup function for some reason, this is a surefire way to do it. The other thing that's really good when it comes to the embed feature like that is that in Blackboard, because they have partnerships with YouTube, that's why YouTube is available there with that mashup function. But let's say, because not everything that you might want to show is on YouTube. It might be something on maybe a Vimeo is a good one, especially when we're dealing with art. You can get the embed code for Vimeo and do it the same way, or other places wherever it is you can get the embed code for those videos. If you do it this way, it will then show up. Alright. And in the next one, I'll show you how to embed a playlist and talk about why that is very helpful, especially for instructors.